Today we are going to install a Petway Pet Door into a timber door. First things first, remove the pet door from the packet, pull out the locking panel. This also serves as the cutout template. Here I'm finding the middle of the door and the template just to make sure it's going to be centered. I then trace out the locking panel, which is also the template. This Petway Pet Door is the medium size. It's being installed for a cavoodle. I'm just double checking the measurements just to make sure it's all correct before cutting out, and then drill out the 4 corners. This door is super thick, around 55mm, and it was solid timber, so it took a little bit to cut out. But I then grabbed my jigsaw and then slowly traced the line. This doesn't need to be fast, just try to stick as close as possible to the line. You can then go ahead and remove the cutout piece, give it a little vacuum, and then jump onto the inside of the door and we can start getting the pet door frame ready to install. Once you take the pet door out of the packet, you can find the screws in the bottom corner between the frames. The way this pet door engages is with shark teeth. As you squeeze together, they bite in and engage. So you will have to apply a bit of pressure to release the 2 parts. Once you get the front frame and the back frame apart, you can put down the front frame and start to apply the weather gasket to the outside perimeter of the front pet door frame. This is the frame that will be on the outside. After we've applied the foam gasket, it's important that we do the screws up in the bottom tabs here. In the packet, you'll find 2 sets of screws. Don't use the dome head screws on the tabs. We'll be using them later on to fasten the internal frame to the external frame. Now we can pass the front frame out to the exterior of the house. You can then line the 2 frames up, and then if you give it a pretty big squeeze, the shark teeth will engage and bite in. We want to squeeze this pretty hard to make sure it's a tight fit. You can then go ahead and screw up the rest of the screws. As you're going, just make sure the pet door is level and adjust it if required. We can now use the 4 dome screws provided in the packet to fasten the 2 frames together. There will be 4 holes in the sides of the pet door. All you have to do is line it up and screw from the angle. The dome head screws aren't required for our smallest Petway Pet Door for timber doors. Only the medium and large require the dome screws. There's a couple ways to lock this pet door. All you have to do is slide it down the grooves and then use the locking tabs to pull across. Additionally, you can use the locking clips at the bottom of the pet door to quickly pull up to lock the dog in and out. Now you just need your dog to give it a go and you're all set. Your pets will love you for it. Thanks for watching. If you need any more install tips, check out our website, petway.com.au.